Peter here. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a lane change using my 360 camera. You can move and zoom around the video. I will be focusing on my right side mirror. You will be able to see what I'm seeing. So let's get started. Point your cursor to the screen, click and hold, then move your mouse around. I'm making a right turn at a T-junction. I am now making a right turn at a cross junction. I will do a lane change without vehicle on the right lane. The procedure for lane changing. Turn on your signal, check your rearview mirror, followed by your right side mirror. Once clear on the right, look in front and speed up. Now I'm making a left turn from a slip road. I will do a lane change with vehicle in front stopping at the traffic light. For this road situation, you need to brake while lane changing because there is a vehicle in front. I will do a staggered lane change to the extreme right lane. There are two lanes. I'm going to do the lane change at the expressway. Procedure for the lane change on the expressway is the same like on the normal road. Firstly, I will do a lane change to the right without any vehicle. So, what must you do when there's a vehicle on the right lane? Slow down your vehicle and look in front. Check on the right side mirror again. Once clear, look in front and pick up speed. Do not forget to turn off your signal after lane change. I shall do another lane change to the right. Slow down, check in front, then look into your right side mirror again. Repeat the procedure till there is clearance on the right. Once it's clear, look in front and speed up. This is the end of the video. As you can see, I didn't turn the steering wheel too much or abruptly for the lane changing. Please give me your feedback and comments. Hope this video will benefit all of you. Thanks for watching.